Right, so following on factorising quadratics, the reason we do this is to find roots and to solve. So for this one here, just like we did before, we're looking for two numbers which add to make the coefficient of our linear term and multiply to make our constant. So we're going to write down factors of 28 and it's negative 28. So one's going to be positive, one's going to be negative. So 1 and 28, 2 and 14, and 4 and 7. And it's going to be 4 and 7. The 4 is going to be negative and the 7 will be positive because 7 take away 4 gives me 3 in the middle. So factorising this will give me a plus 7, a take away 4. And that is the first part factorised. Now solve, when does this, our original equation, they've given us the same expression and now they've said it equals 0. So this equals 0 when one of our brackets equals 0. So what would make the first bracket equal 0? Well, if the first bracket equals, if a equals minus 7, it's going to be minus 7 plus 7. And that would become 0. And 0 times by anything will give me 0. So basically, when you're in this position, you're going to look to make the brackets 0. So a equals minus 7. And then, or a would equal positive 4. Because if we put positive 4 into this one, 4 take away 4 equals 0. 0 times by whatever we get in that first bracket would equal 0. So these are my two answers. Make sure that you write them in the answer box in the exam. Have a go at part 2. I'll record that and see if you got the right answer.